Hi and welcome back, and in this one I want to teach you about parameters. So what is parameters? Let's say you have a function void player, for example. Then you have int x and int y. So these are the parameters. You have int x and int y. So this function right here, player, has two parameters. Just like when you have to find windows, h, window, h, w, and d is equal to find window a. This function right here, find window a, gets the handle to the window, I'll put it inside of h, w, and d. And find window right here has two parameters. Class name right there, yes, class name and window name. So let's say you have no class name, then the first parameter will be put in as null. Then the next one, you see, the next one will be the window name. So let's say Counter-Strike, just like that. So find window a has two parameters, the class name, so we put that as null, then window name, Counter-Strike. So it will get, so this function right here will get the handle to Counter-Strike, this window right here, and put it inside of h, w, and d. So that's an example of the function find window a. You got many different functions, such as write process memory or read process memory. Write process memory. This function right here has many different parameters. For example, the handle, and yes, the handle to a process, and it has, and you need the address to write to. So lp void, let's say 0x00, then the address to write to, yes, and the number to write to it. So let's say this is ammo, let's just say that, and the number you want to write to it is 1000. So you put and you create a variable called new ammo is equal to 1000. Then you put new ammo right here, and then the size of new ammo, and null. Of course this will be error because I have no handle, etc. So write process memory requires all of these parameters. This is a function to write to the memory, to the process, to the memory of the process, and it requires where to write to, what to write to, what to write to it with, and the size, and the bytes, number of bytes written. So these are two functions that are used in game hacking a lot. And for DLLs, you got this get current process, this function right here. This function gets the current process. This is used for DLLs. So when you have an external hack, you will have to find the process ID through finding the window, then getting the process ID from the window handle. But if you're already inside of the process, you can just type get current process, like hey, handle process is equal to get current process, just like that. Then you inject the DLL and it just gets the current process. So this is some simple functions used for game hacking. So I hope you like this. Thanks for watching.